Have you ever wondered how fruits are made? Fruit are made from plant organ we call flower through the process we call pollination. But today, we'll only talk about flower. From a botanic viewpoint, flowers are far more than just a beautiful ornament. They are highly specialized reproductive organ belong to the angiosperm or the flowering plants. Their color, shape, and scent envelop for one single purpose, that is to attract pollinator for genetic transfer and fertilization. Economically and environmentally, flowers are essential to the global agriculture. They are the starting point for the crop that feed humanity. To understand how they function, we must first look at their structural blueprint. To master the floral anatomy, we can look at the flower as a coordinator machine divided into 4 functional whorls. The first one is endocoel. This is the male system, consists of stamen. Each stamen has a pollen-producing anther on a stalk-like filament. The second one is gynoecium. This is the female core or pistil. It includes sticky stigma, an elongate style, and a base ovary housing the ovules. The third is perianth. This acts as the flower billboard. It combines the petals to attract pollinator and scapels to protect the bud. Finally, the base structure. All parts anchor to the receptacle, and the entire flower is supported by a stem, or called the peridicle. Next, let us look at the carpels, the basic structural units of the gynoecium. Depending on the plant lineage, carpels arrange themselves in 2 primary ways. Upper carpels, the flower has 2 or more free completely unfused carpels. Each acts as an independent unit with its own ovary, style, and stigma. For example, lotus and strawberries. Suncarpellus. This is an evolutionary advancement where 2 or more carpels fuse into a single unified structure. They share a common ovary and often the same style and stigma. This is found in lilies and hibiscus, and it dedicates how the final fruit will be positioned. To wrap up our structural analysis, we classify flowers by their ovary position relative to other floral parts. There are 3 main types. The first one is hypogynous. The floral parts attach below the ovary. This creates a superior ovary that sits on top and as seen in the hibiscus and mustard. The second one is perigynous. The part arises from the cup-shaped rim around the ovary. This is the half inferior ovary, common in roses and peaches. The third one is epigynous. The receptacles fuse around the ovary, so the part emerges from the very top. This is an inferior ovary, seen in guavas and cucumber. We also categorize flowers as their sexual composition and wholeness. Perfect and imperfect. Perfect flowers have male and female organs, while the imperfect flowers are unisexual. Next is is monoecious and diecious. If a plant has separate male and female flowers on the same plant, it is monoecious, like corn. And if they have separate plant, it is dioecious, like papaya. Next is complete versus incomplete. Complete flower have all four horns, sepal, petals, stigma, and the carpels, while incomplete flower are missing one or more. In summary, the complex horticulture of flowers showcases incredible evolutionary adaptation. Every chamber, position, and fusion we discussed today directly support a specialized reproductive strategy. As agricultural student, mastering flower morphology is paramount. It allows for accurate plant identification, drives effective crop breeding program, and supports ecological conservation. Ultimately, the flower is the biological engine that drives global biodiversity and ensures our food security. Thank you so much for your time and attention.
Thank you.